Hello friends, Namaste. Today we are going to learn how to record any Windows screen on Windows 10. That may be songs, videos, programs, games, and of course live internet. We are going to use Windows 10 default Xbox game recording tool, which is pre-installed inside Windows. Today we are going to record a video clip from VLC. To record, we activate Windows that is to be recorded. Then press Windows button plus G, and to start video recording we press Windows Alt R. We can see the video is being recorded. We will record just few seconds, and to finalize this recording again we press Windows Alt R button. The game clip has been recorded. This PC, videos, captures, and this is the latest one recorded. Check this. This is our recorded clip. And please subscribe our channel by clicking on the red button given below. Thank you friends.